Hi everyone, my name is Imran Ali and today I'm going to present you my research on topic welding repairs of dragline buckets for mining industry. This presentation is part of my course Engineering Research Methods at University of Wollongong. The purpose of this course is not only to develop our research skills but also the ability to communicate complex engineering ideas to diverse audiences. The importance of this research topic cannot be overstated. Dragline components are critical in mining industry that helps us to remove the overburden and provides access to the mineral deposits. The efficiency of dragline components relies heavily on the durability of its buckets that experiences major wear and fatigue. Therefore, failure of bucket can lead to significant downtime. Research indicates a downtime of around 18 to 21% that results in substantial financial losses. Therefore, to understand the durability of this component is essential not only for productivity but also to manage the cost in the industry. Diving deep into the literature, it becomes clear that welding parameters is crucial for enhancing the wear resistance and fatigue life of the dragline components. Previous studies have consistently highlighted the role of welding parameters. Failure often stems from inadequate control towards these techniques, resulting in catastrophic failure of heavy machineries. However, there exists a significant gap in empirical data related to real-world performances of these welding techniques in mining operations. My research aims to address this gap by investigating the impact of different welding parameters on the long-term performance of dragline components. To address the identified gaps, my research seeks to answer the following research question. How do varying welding parameters such as current, speed, and preheating in plasma transferred arc welding influences the fatigue life of tungsten carbide nickel based hard faced alloys in dragline components? This inquiry is pivotal as it seems to provide practical solutions for optimizing the welding techniques that can lead to improved durability in harsh mining conditions. Now, moving forward to my research design, it employs a systematic approach that is aimed to optimize the welding parameters for dragline buckets. To begin with, I will utilize C45 carbon steel plates as substrate. Those substrate will serve as the foundation to apply tungsten carbide nickel based alloy via PTA welding process. I will then evaluate several welding parameters such as welding current that will range from 50 amperes to 110 amperes, preheating temperatures that will range from 50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, and lastly welding speed that will be ranged from 20 millimeters per minute to 40 millimeters per minute. Those varying parameters will help me understand how those parameters affects the welded quality, and once this is done, I will then conduct series of mechanical tests to evaluate the performance of the welded components. To begin with, I will test the components through Wicker hardness test that will help me understand the quality of wear resistance. Then I will move forward to extra diffraction that will help me understand the phase composition of the welded components, and lastly abrasion resistance test will mimic the conditions that the real component undergoes in the mining operations. So this comprehensive research design will help me understand the valuable data and contribute towards optimizing these welding techniques and enhance the durability of the components used in the mining industry. Now let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of my design. To begin with, the controlled laboratory environment allows us for precise parameter manipulation. So this is one of the advantages. And then the comprehensive mechanical testing simulates the real world mining conditions. However, there are some disadvantages as well. The limited sample size may affect the ability to generalize these findings towards all mining operations, and the short-term laboratory tests may not fully capture the long-term operational performances. I anticipate that my research design will reveal the optimal welding parameters that significantly enhances both wear resistance and fatigue life of dragline components. Based on my findings, I aim to provide the practical recommendations for PTA welding settings which can help extend the operational life of dragline components. To conclude, optimizing welding parameters is critical for enhancing dragline buckets' durability. This research addresses significant gaps in the existing literature and offers practical implications for mining industry. Thank you for your time and attention, and if you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Thank you.